Now, to light a firework, all you gotta do is place one on the ground, like so, and otherwise just pretty much take the punk right here and light it. Make the hot part of it touch here, and when lit, usually you're supposed to run, but these things are practically harmless. These are just smoke balls. Yeah, they emit a lot of heat, so that's why you need to be very careful around these things. I just lit that fuse with the existing other one. So yes, you do need to be very careful around these. Now isn't this a creepy looking face? This is a fuzzy monster. It's warm, it's alive, and it's really fuzzy. And what do you know, it failed. That was interesting. It just popped right open. To set up combos, you need more than one firework. Take this smoke ball, for example. Okay, now if I introduce another smoke ball into the same spot, right here like this, and get it so that these fuses are touching each other with some pressure, you can actually get them so that they light each other. And they don't seem all that strong. That's just one method, but it's not the most reliable. So, which one do you light? It practically doesn't matter. So, just let that go and go from there. See how I just lit that second one? So now you get double strong version of this. Hey, what do you know? There's a little tornado right in there. The best method for getting combos going is doing something like this. Putting these two fuses together and twisting them just like this. This will ensure that it will work. Of course, this way you can tie a whole bunch of them together. Put that out of the way place and pretty much just go from there. Light it pretty much like it was just a single fuse and as you can tell here, I have 4 of them combined. Yeah, this will double the intensity of both and also blend 2 different colors together. What does this look like? Yep, that's how you otherwise set up combos. The third method for setting up combos, yes, that's a whole bunch of smoke balls, is also a little more risky. But if you're careful with it and safe, then this method works. All it is nothing more than a random jumble of fuses. One fuse lights another, which leads to another, which leads to 4 others, and then 2 others. Yeah, it's a big chain. So be very careful when doing this. Sometimes you only need to light one. See, just like that. Now that was pretty intense. So And one just led to another, which led to another, which led to another. But that's all that put together. Yeah, as you can probably tell, I got a huge number of smoke balls.